Good morning, student. Let us take a lesson 2 of your class, that is Internet Security. Internet Security. Take lesson 2 on page number 8. Okay, page number 8. Internet Security. What is the meaning of Internet Security? Internet. Yala using Internet. Yala doing your work through your Internet. And what is the meaning of security? Security means to keep secure. Okay. There are many chances of getting virus through your internet. Okay, virus means what? You get virus and your files may be corrupted, or it may be deleted automatically from your computer. So we'll start with the lesson. The internet is a network of millions of computers from all over the world that allows user to share information and communicate with each other. It provides a vast amount of information to access. Today, most of our day-to-day activity depends on internet. Okay. See, today whatever work, smaller work or bigger work, if you find any difficulty, you go through your Google Baba. That is through internet. Okay. Google Baba gives you everything. Whatever answer you want, whatever files you want to search, whatever pictures you want to search, whatever movies you want to see, you go through internet, you open your Google form, Google Baba, and this one, Google, and you can access your program. So all this program you access, you download in your computer. Okay, the files, folders, whatever you download, the pictures. So there are chances of getting virus in your computer. So there are chances. So if you don't want that computer or your file to be corrupted or to be deleted automatically or to stop working your computer, we need antivirus. Okay, we need antivirus. So first we'll go through virus. What is virus? What is virus? We'll see. See, it is given in your book. Computer virus is a program that copies itself into this other program on the computer, causing damage to either the system software, hardware, or personal information. One of the most common way to get a virus on your computer is by downloading files from internet from unsafe website which contain virus like malware. Malware is a short for malicious software. Okay, so when you download any file, when you download any type of file, there are chances of virus to come in your computer. And what does virus do? It damages your files, it deletes your file that are unsafe for your computer. So just see the types of internet threat. The internet is the best tool at our disposal today, but we need to be aware of the threat on the internet. The following are the common types of internet threat. That is, first one, spam. S-P-A-M, spam. We use email to communicate with the people we know on the internet. Okay. Often we find email from unknown account offering you link with too good to be true offers and promotion. These emails are called spam and usually contain malware when opened. Generally, email providers classify such emails into a spam or junk folder and do not display them in the inbox. So when you download any files or folders or any programs or anything to your internet, or when you get an email on your internet or mail, there are chances of getting this one, virus. Okay, spam virus, that your files may be deleted automatically. Spyware infects in a computer when you download and install free software. Okay, we are having habit of downloading free software through computer. So when you download free software from your computer, the spyware virus get attacked. from our unsafe website or on the internet. Once the spyware program is installed, it starts collecting personal information from your computer without your permission. It steals information and gives or sell it on the internet. Okay, sell it on the internet. Turn your page behind. That is adware. Adware. It is similar to the spyware, but instead of collecting your personal information, it displays pop-up advertisement when you surf the internet. It tracks your activity and search history on the internet, and based on the information display advertisement. Okay. Then fourth one is worm. The worm is a common thread. Computer and internet, it can duplicate itself and multiply. Worm can copy themselves and all the computer connected in the network on its own. It stays active in the infected computer memory. Okay, so worm virus enters and it starts multiplying. It duplicates itself by its own. Then fifth one, Trojan horse. It is a type of malware program that gets installed along with genius software like game or ultimate application, utility application. It deletes your files and allows hackers to access your computer remotely. Unlike the worm, Trojan horse does not duplicate itself, but it is far more destructive. Okay, so it is more destructive. Then, so all this virus in your computer, they attack your computer, and when there are more virus in your computer, some files are getting multiplying, then some are getting deleted, and it makes your computer to work slow. So all this is because of virus in your computer. Then how to get overcome from the virus? Protection against internet threat. The best way to deal with the threat of a computer virus is to use antivirus from virus and other harmful malware. It helps to detect and remove any virus from your computer. It also scans your online activity to make sure that you are not downloading any infected file. Window Defender is the default antivirus software in Windows 10. Okay, understood? So before downloading anything, just see that your antivirus program is there in your computer. Say one example: we fall sick and we go to doctor. Okay, why we fall sick? Because there are some virus in our body. In our body there are viruses, so there is a chance of getting sick. So we go to doctor. Doctor prescribes medicine. That medicine is called as antivirus. So you become okay after getting that medicine. So same way in computer also, there are different types of virus that attacks your computer when you do your work through internet. Okay, so you have to install antivirus, and you can overcome through virus in your computer. Then the safety tips. While using internet. Surf the internet only on trusted web browsers like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. Visit and download files from safe website only. Then when surfing the internet, never share your personal information with stranger. Always use the strong password for your email account and never share it with anyone. Open and reply to email only from people you know and trust. Always back up your files on your computer. Always keep Windows Firewall turned on. Always update your operating system and antivirus software. Okay, so let us do the exercise. First I will do the exercise of lesson 2, then I will go with 1. Then main thing is you have to read the lesson for MCQs. At least for your exam I have given 5 MCQs. So you have to read the lesson. Lessons are also small. 5 MCQs. So you have to read the lessons for MCQs. Answers I am not giving for the MCQs. Okay. So answer the following. What is computer virus? What is computer virus? Look on page number 8. Computer virus paragraph. A computer virus is a program that copies itself into other program. Second one, name and describe any two types of internet thread. Any two types of internet thread. See, name, there are types of internet thread, that is first spam, spyware, adware, worm and Trojan horse. Just write the names, don't describe it. Then fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. First one, this is sort of malicious software, that is malware. Second one, spyware. Third one, adware. Fourth, Trojan horse. Fifth, Windows defending. Then true or false also I can give from your filling the blanks and answer the following. Okay, understood? Then go with the lesson 1. Lesson 1, answer the following exercise. What are the 4 main functions of a computer? 4 main functions of a computer. On page number 1. Page number 1. The 4 main functions it is given on page number 1. See, receiving input, processing, storage and produce. Then what is the use of DVD-ROM? What is the use of DVD-ROM? On page 5, the drive allows you to access the data stored in CDs or DVDs. Data can be written, modified and erased with the help of DVD or drive. Then name 3 portable computer. Name 3 portable computer. Portable computer, that is laptop, netbook or tablet. Laptop, netbook or tablet. Then match the following. Network computer, designed to connect to a network. Second one, supercomputer, it is fastest calculating device. Third one, mainframe, it can process several millions of instructions per second. Fourth, mini computer, a mid size of computer. Fifth one, portable computer, it can be easily carried around. Sixth one, microcomputer, a computer with a microprocessor. Fill in the blank. First one, input. Second, memory unit. Third one, hard disk. And fourth one, supercomputer. First one, input. Second, memory unit. Third, hard disk. And fourth one, computer. Okay.